सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
With the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, the government plans to change the definition of illegal migrants. The bill seeks to privilege the claims of non-Muslims from Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan to Indian citizenship in the context of subcontinent's partition. The bill also seeks to reduce the requirement of 11 years of continuous stay in the country to 6 years to obtain citizenship by naturalization. According to Citizenship Act 1955, an illegal migrant is one who enters India without a valid passport or with forged documents, or is a person who stays beyond the visa permit. The Citizenship Act 1955 is an act to provide for acquisition and determination of Indian citizenship. Recently, the BJP piloted the amendment and got it passed in the Lok Sabha during winter session, but the bill is still pending in the Rajya Sabha, where NDA is in a minority. Almost all opposition parties have opposed the idea of granting citizenship on the basis of religion. It is for the first time when such an idea is being contested in the country on this scale. The amendment is also being seen in opposition 14 and the international immigration laws. The opposers believe that the amendment bill will promote illegal immigration. It's also argued that when made into an act, it will nullify the updated NRC. The process of updating NRC is currently underway in Assam, which is undertaken as per provisions of the Citizenship Act 1955 and the Citizenship, Registration of Citizens and Issue of National Identity Cards Rules 2003. It was taken up as per Supreme Court order in 2013 in order to wean out cases of illegal migration from Bangladesh and other adjoining areas. Now let's try to find out what actually is NRC. NRC, or National Register of Citizens, is the list of Indian citizens residing in Assam, and it is meant to identify a bona fide citizen. NRC was first published after the 1951 census in independent India, when parts of Assam went to the East Pakistan, now known as Bangladesh. Assam faced influx from Bangladesh since the early 20th century, and it is the only state having an NRC. When last updated in 1951, NRC recorded 80 lakh citizens in the state. Since then, it is a contentious issue referring to the process of identification of illegal immigrants in Assam. During British rule, Assam was merged with Bengal Presidency for administrative purposes. From 1826 to 1947, the British continuously brought migrant workers to Assam for cheap labor in tea plantations. The state saw two major episodes of large-scale migrant influx around partition and in run-up to Bangladesh War in 1971. Flow of illegal migrants continued, and the issue took center stage when the voters list in 1978 by-poll to Mangaldoy Lok Sabha seat saw a surge. A student group called ASU, or All Assam Students Union, called for putting off the election till names of foreigners were struck off the electoral rolls. This was the start of 6-year agitation that culminated with the signing of Assam Accord on August 15, 1985. Post this, the Citizenship Act 1955 was amended, and all Indian origin people, including from Bangladesh, who entered Assam before January 1, 1966, were deemed as citizens. Those who came between January 1, 1966 and March 24, 1971 could get citizenship after registering themselves and living for 11 years. Those who entered beyond this were to be deported. Now there are demands for the NRC to be implemented in Meghalaya as well, with similar demands from Nagaland and Tripura. In Arunachal, a demand for citizenship to Chakmas has been pending for decades. While the centre is keen to grant them citizenship, it is being opposed by the state government. Now, the question of what will be the status of the several lakh individuals who would have lost Indian citizenship with no recourse has remained unanswered.